Prevention or prescription? That's the choice you and I get to make. How will you choose? Hi, my name is Carrie Gray, and I'm here to invite you to an epic online event called Not Fooling Me with Medical Misinformation. It's going to be live on April 1st, 2024. Yes, this online event is going to peel away decades of deception that we've been handed called healthcare, which has contributed to all of the problems that we see today. And from the current statistics that say children of today will not outlive their parents, what a tragic, tragic set of events that could unfold. Or we can take matters in our own hands and we can stop trusting those who don't have our best interest at heart. Instead, they're looking to monetize all of our chronic illness. And that's the reason why I invite you to join me on April 1st with this amazing online webathon, Not Fooling Me with Medical Misinformation, as we peel away layers of deception and we start talking about real prevention and what real prevention looks like and how to empower ourselves with the truth. And so below this video is a form. I invite you to sign up because you'll be getting a invitation in your email to join us on this webathon. And if this message makes sense, and there's other people that you think it'll make sense to also, please invite them to join us and to sign up for the webathon so we can make sure and get them an invitation too. So I'll see you on April 1st.